What's the meaning of ambridge? Ambridge. 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 Ambridge.
Ambridge is a proper noun that refers to a small borough in Beaver County, Pennsylvania, United States. It is situated along the Ohio River, and has a population of approximately 7,000 people. Ambridge was originally founded as a company town for the American Bridge Company in 1905, and played a significant role in the steel industry during the 20th century. Today, Ambridge is home to several historic landmarks, including the Old Economy Village, and is known for its rich history, community spirit, and diverse mix of cultures.